I'm Mattei from matteirealty.ca. Recently, Toronto police have come out and warned people about a new scam where a contractor comes to your door, claims that you have immediate necessary emergency repairs, maybe on the roof, etc., and then follows up as they're there saying, oh, this is broken and that's broken, the costs rise. What's worse, following this scam, someone who claims to be from Interpol arrives and says they're looking for these criminals and charges you money to find them. I know it sounds ridiculous, but have some empathy. At one point or another, all of us have been taken. These idiots probably target seniors or vulnerable people. Now, a couple things for you to consider. Emergency things in your home would be a flood, which is unfortunate but not life-threatening. Fire. If you have a fire caused by a gas leak or a gas leak, those things are severely urgent. Other than that, you want to put yourself in a position where you're aware of your home's condition. You can pay a contractor or a roofing contractor to go up on your roof and inspect it and tell you if the flashing needs caulking, if the shingles in certain spots need repair, and do that on an ongoing basis rather than waiting for damage to occur to the house. Any other issue, whether it be electrical or plumbing, can be dealt with in good time. There shouldn't be a panic or urgency. Do your due diligence. Make sure you trust and know the person who's bonded insured to be able to work on your home. That way, when some jerk comes to your door trying to scare you into parting with your money, you can not so politely slam the door in their face. I'm Mattei is another installment of Wednesday Wisdom. Be careful out there.